Welcome to Warfare Tech, Science of Modern Combat. This is not a news series. This is not political commentary. This is science, at the front lines of modern conflict. In this series, we decode the technology that powers today's and tomorrow's battlefields. From precision-guided weapons and hypersonic missiles, to autonomous drones, stealth systems, cyber warfare, and beyond. This is where engineering meets strategy. Modern warfare is no longer just about brute force. It's about information, automation, speed, and invisible domains like space and cyberspace. We take a global view, exploring breakthroughs from every corner of the world, and how science is quietly shaping doctrines, deterrence, and decisions. Whether you're a student, a science enthusiast, just curious about how technology influences security, this series is designed for you. Subscribe, follow, and join us as we explore the science of power, precision, and protection. This is Warfare Tech, Science of Modern Combat, presented by Physical Sciences Consultorium.